Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making crispy honey sriracha chicken wings. These are a perfect balance of sweet heat and crunch. Baked in the oven until golden, then tossed in a sticky honey sriracha glaze that's absolutely irresistible. No deep frying required. These wings come out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, and coated in a bold sauce that's perfect for game day, parties, or an easy dinner at home. Why you'll love this recipe? Oven baked, not fried. Crispy skin every time. Sweet and spicy flavor combo. Easy ingredients, big flavor. Serve these wings with celery, ranch, or blue cheese. And don't forget that extra sauce for dipping. Okay, we need to preheat our oven to 425 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper, and place over that a wire rack. Okay, we're gonna pat the wings very dry with paper towels. This is the key for crispness. Now in a large bowl, we're gonna toss the wings with the baking powder, salt, and black pepper. We're going to arrange the wings on the wire rack, leaving space between each one, skin side up. We're going to bake for 40 to 45 minutes, flipping halfway until the skin is deeply golden brown, the fat is rendered, and the wings are crispy. For extra crispiness, you can broil them for 1 to 2 minutes at the end. Watch them very closely. Now we're gonna chop up our garlic. So to a small saucepan, we're gonna add our honey, our sriracha, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and garlic. We're gonna simmer that over medium-low heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring often until slightly thickened. Then we're going to remove that from the heat. Then we're going to transfer our wings into a large bowl. We're going to pour over the warm honey sriracha sauce. Toss those around until they're fully coated. Garnish those with green onions or sesame seeds. You can serve those up with some ranch dressing, some fries, maybe some onion rings. So always dry your wings thoroughly before seasoning. Use aluminum-free baking powder only. Toss the wings in the sauce while hot so it sticks better. Want more heat? Add extra sriracha or a pinch of cayenne. So we can store the leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. To reheat them, put them in a 400-degree oven or an air fryer until they crisp up again. Avoid the microwave. It kills the crisp. So there you go. Honey sriracha chicken wings. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.